Your Easter brunch spread will look so much better with this cheesy asparagus puff pastry. First, sprinkle a little flour on your parchment paper, then add your puff pastry. Use a roller to roll it out and elongate it, then transfer to a baking sheet. Now add your mustard of choice. I'm adding a grainy honey Dijon and some caramelized onion jam, but you could also use regular caramelized onions too. Now add the cheese and the asparagus and a sprinkle of salt. Bake at 400 for 20 minutes until it looks like this. You can serve it hot or at room temp. Recipe below.